Concurrent programming is hard. Freezing UI threads, race conditions, Heisenberg bugs, deadlocks, you name it. These are all problems with traditional concurrent programming. But what if there was a simpler way? Well, that's where Akka.net comes in, to simplify concurrent programming and make it fun, easy, and understandable. Akka.net. Simple, fast, runs everywhere. What is Akka.net? Akka.net is a powerful framework that brings the actor model to .NET. Think of actors as tiny, independent workers inside your application, and each actor maintains its own state, only communicates through message passing, and processes those messages one at a time, which means that all operations against an actor's state are automatically thread safe. No more locks, semaphores, or complex threading code. Akka.net is incredibly versatile. It scales both up and down, supporting use cases big and small. Mobile applications and games can use Akka.net to handle background operations, multiplayer, and real-time UIs. Desktop applications regularly use Akka.net to build real-time interactivity and real-time dashboards. Thousands of users leverage Akka.net to build large-scale IoT systems, for every industry from manufacturing to energy. And then finally, Akka.net can operate at global scale across multiple data centers, processing millions of requests to deliver personalized experiences to users worldwide. Akka.net is not just for the cloud, it can support any use case, big or small. Akka.net isn't just another framework, it's a game changer with tens of millions of downloads and counting. And what makes Akka.net special is that it's 100% free open source, yet enterprise ready with commercial support from Petabridge. Whether you're building mobile applications or global scale systems, Akka.net gives you production-proven reliability with developer-friendly simplicity. So if you're ready to build some incredible .NET apps with Akka.net and have fun doing it, join the tens of thousands of developers who've gone through our free Akka.net bootcamp at learnakka.net. And don't forget to like and subscribe.